Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys view of Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you how to solve and fix screen rotate problem on Realme mobile. Friends, when you use your YouTube app any app and guys your screen rotate automatic, so how to fix and how to solve screen rotate problem on Realme phone device. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your Realme phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme mobile. So friends, click on Realme phone display and brightness setting, and friends you can see here dark mode, light mode, auto switch setting, auto brightness, eye comfort, auto rotate. So friends, on your Realme phone device get this setting is on, so you will have to off it only. After offense, now you can use your Realme phone without screen rotate. Friends, your phone screen will not rotate automatic on your Realme phone device. Friends, you can use any app without screen rotate. So friends, like that you can solve your screen rotate problem on your Realme mobile. And friends, you can solve with shortcut setting. Direct friends, click on search option and friends search here auto setting guys. Auto setting, and friends scroll it. Friends, you can see auto switch, auto brightness, auto screen off, auto power on setting. Friends, click on auto rotates and direct you can on from here. Friends, you want to rotate guys your phone screen, so you can rotate your screen. And friends, you don't want to use your auto rotate screen settings, so you can fix. After fix friends, your screen will not rotate. Friends, you can check. Friends, you can try, your screen will not rotate automatic on your Realme phone device. So like that friends, we can fix screen rotate problem. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any problem on your device, so you can ask me in comment section. Bye guys, thanks for watching the video.